What does this movement have to do with high sensitivity? High sensitivity means being light inside, reactive, flexible. That lives in this gesture. But am I really allowed to be so open and light? Or do I get lost in it? Yes, you can. Observe only 3 rules so that you have benefit. Try to feel your forearms and hands as if there's something on them that you are throwing in the air, making it light. And keep this liveliness and lightness flexible until the end. Connect with the earth from the heart and let the power of the earth flow back into you from all sides through your legs and arms. Continue to feel this connection when you make this movement. Then you can become light and don't lose yourself. You are light, you are yourself, and yet you have soil where everything that comes in is turned into compost. The overexcitability often associated with high sensitivity turns into fertility. Enjoy your lightness.